Hey everyone, welcome back to Smoke Made Easy. Today we're gonna make something super simple, something I've been wanting to make, and it's just hamburgers. Simple ground beef, but I got an added twist. I had a thought in my head and I was like, why not make it, and why not make a video of it? So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's do this. Alright, like I said, simple pack of ground beef. Gonna of course make our own patties, but like I said, I got an added twist, a thought in my head. I thought, instead of putting the cheese on top, what if I stuff the cheese inside? So I went out, got myself some smoked gouda, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack that around, and I'm gonna see how this turns out. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so two ways I like to do this. So first off, when you're not doing what I'm doing and you just want to make a normal patty, you know, just take everything out, round it up, pack it around, and you got yourself a hamburger patty. Now for this, what I'm doing is I'm stuffing the cheese inside, so I wanted to go ahead and get enough out, make it flat, kind of like you're gonna make a pizza. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut one of these off, give myself a decent size, maybe might just give myself just a little more. Just gonna place it inside, let that get there. I'm gonna go ahead, cut myself a little piece, kind of get myself a little rectangle, and then I'm just gonna wrap this around, pack it in there. There we go. Now it is probably gonna be a little bit bigger, but that's fine. Like I said, I'm hoping this idea that just popped in my head, and I just don't know how it's really gonna turn out, so I thought I might as well make it into a video, and if it turns out good and other people can use it, and maybe other people can tweak it a little bit and it might turn out good. So I think that's about it. Alright, now that I got my two patties, one cheese, one not, I'm gonna go ahead and put some seasoning on here. I'm gonna make it real simple. Use my favorite from Flavor Gods, everything. And go ahead and just dab this on here. Alright, let's go put it on the grill. Alright, so let's throw these bad boys on the grill. I got my Traeger set at 225. Kind of want to keep it in the smoke range. Don't want to cook it too fast. I want this cheese to melt and connect to that hamburger meat. I'm going to go ahead and just put one probe in, because I like to make sure my food is cooked at the right time. Even the hamburgers, I know some people like them medium rare, medium well, whatever. When it comes to hamburgers, I don't trust it. I like mine cooked well done. Everything else, different. Alright, we'll go check it out in a little bit. Alright guys, while we're sitting here waiting on this food to get done, I just gotta say, this jerky, I made this in the last video that I just made, and it's cheap, easy, and quick. And I gotta say, it's delicious. I keep eating it, I'm bringing it to work. I got a bag full of it. It's gonna last me a real long time, so I recommend it. It's a good investment. Just gotta say thanks guys. If you guys are watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a new channel and I'm really hoping it's gonna kick off, and if it does, it's great. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna continue doing it just because I enjoy doing it. But you guys are really what make a difference for me, and really pumps me up when I see views increase and likes. And I haven't gotten any comments yet, but feel free to leave a comment. Anything, pros, tips, anything. Like I said, this is a how-to channel. I'm here to teach you guys as much as I can because I'm learning myself. So thanks again. All right, let's get back to the cooking. All right, so it's almost done now. I went ahead and put my buns on there to get them warmed up, and I put some cheese on the one that does not have cheese inside. So it's about done. I'll meet you guys back inside and see how it turns out. Alright, there she is. Cheese filled and cheese on top. Now let's see which one's better. Alright guys, let us see how this turns out. Oh my God. Sorry for that camera change. Would you just look at that? Now I gotta say, that is amazing. I cannot wait to take a bite into that. Alright guys, well that's it. That's all I got for you. So like I said, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, share it, and continue to keep watching, and I'll keep continuing to make videos. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.